worked. Oh, no, orange.
So today I want to talk about Chargergate. Okay, it's not really that big of a deal, but I just wanted to go over it because I've seen some people post about it and I've actually had some questions emailed to me about it. So basically in November and December of 2017, vehicles that were delivered in that time frame had a very tight plug in the supercharger cable. So what happens is when you go to supercharge, the plugs are a little bit bigger than the standard ones you get with the car and anything you would install in your house. So when you go to plug it into your car, sometimes it's not fitting. One person actually got it stuck and had to call roadside assistance to be able to physically remove it. They're not always charging. It is something that Tesla's aware of and they are taking care of everybody. So we actually checked out Scott's car. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip now. David went with Scott and they checked it out at a supercharger. So I'll go ahead and jump to that.
She didn't firmly. So we got a December 2017 build. Worked. Oh, no, orange. That, I think that it's, try pushing it again. I think that you have the charger issue, like Chargergate, which is, it doesn't go in all the way. Try pulling it out and then push it, like try pushing straight in again. There you go. So you did work, so that's good. You are charging, but it took you a couple tries. So we'll stay here a few minutes and it works, but it definitely looks like you're gonna have to send it in to have them trim it, I think is what they call it, or shaving, one of those.
Okay, so now you saw that, you can see that originally it was giving an orange ring. It means it wasn't connected all the way, just because you had to push so far in. So they were able to get it charging, although it was extremely, extremely tight. Luckily they were able to remove it, so that's a bonus. But what Tesla is doing for any car that does experience this issue is either replacing it, or I believe they're able to shave down the charger port to be able to like fit it. But it is something that you should definitely check out, especially if you're planning any road trips, just to be safe. It's not a huge issue. It's something that you can still fit it in. It is just extremely, extremely tight. Be careful. If your car was delivered in the November to December time frame, definitely check a supercharger before you plan any long distance trips in case that is an issue. I haven't heard it with everything, but I guess they just got a batch of charger ports that was just a very tight tolerance. And while it does still allow it in most cases, it can get stuck, especially if when you put it in, everything's cold and it heats back up from the charging current going through it, it can get stuck. So I just want everyone to be pretty careful if your car is delivered and check it. Tesla's more than willing to replace it. Scott's did actually get replaced. So he brought it in, they checked it out and deemed it to be a little tight. So they went ahead and I believe replaced his charger port, the whole thing. But I have heard that they can kind of like trim it to make it a little easier. I don't know for sure, but they fixed it. Now it works great. So just something to keep in mind. Not a huge deal, but definitely if your car was delivered, then check supercharging before you commit to a huge road trip in case there is any issue. Also, in just some other news, this Friday is a very special day. There will be no normal video, but we will be live streaming at roughly 10 a.m. So that's normally when my videos go up. So if you are available, definitely check out that live stream. We'll be fielding questions and everything during that, and it will be at a very special location with a special thing going on. I don't know how much more I can hint at this, but it's gonna be good. And actually, someone just noticed recently that Tesla was including a special gift with Model 3 deliveries. So I don't know, maybe we'll get that and it'll be in the live stream. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, I think I just gave away what we're doing. Haha, okay, well definitely tune in on Friday, 10 a.m. Anyway, definitely join us Friday, 10 a.m. Should be a good old time. I'm really excited. I'm sure a lot of you are, and some special announcements coming on Friday, so definitely stay tuned. If you are looking for a Tesla though, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you're looking to order a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's listed down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which that is currently the only way to get that, and help us get qualified for certain reward perks, which is how we get to all these cool events and we can invite you guys along through the live streams and everything and report back. So any help is certainly appreciated. And if you do use our referral code, definitely drop me an email through the website. That way I have your contact information so that when we take delivery of our next gen Founder Series Roadster, we can invite you guys all out, do test test rides, take it to a local track, and we can do some quarter miles. Should be a good old time, because really I want to show some appreciation to you guys, because without your support none of this would be possible. So definitely drop me an email if you use it. That's pretty much it for this video though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely comment down below if you're excited for Friday. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and I'll see you on Friday, 10 a.m. sharp. Bye.